Modern wooden corner shelves, stylish and functional storage solutions. Introduction. The hidden potential of corner spaces. Think about the corners in your home. Often, they are neglected and underutilized, leaving blank spaces that could serve a greater purpose. But what if you could turn these overlooked areas into stunning decorative features while also adding functional storage solutions? That's where modern wooden corner shelves come in. These shelves offer the perfect balance between practicality and style, allowing homeowners to make the most of every inch of their living space. Whether you're working with a small apartment, a cozy home, or a spacious interior, wooden corner shelves maximize space while contributing to the overall aesthetic and warmth of a room. In this in-depth discussion, we'll explore why wooden corner shelves are a must-have in modern interiors, the most stylish and practical designs, the best materials to choose from, and how they can transform any space into an elegant and organized haven. Let's dive into the world of modern wooden corner shelves and discover how they can elevate your home. 1. Why wooden corner shelves are an essential home upgrade. Before we explore the designs, let's take a closer look at why wooden corner shelves are a game changer in home decor and storage solutions. A. Maximizing space like never before. Corners are the most underutilized spaces in any home. Many people don't realize that these areas can be transformed into highly functional storage or decorative focal points. Instead of leaving these spaces blank, installing sleek and stylish wooden shelves allows you to make the most of them. Imagine placing small plants, books, decorative items, or even essential household items on an elegantly designed wooden corner shelf. This immediately declutters the room, creating a cleaner, more organized, and visually appealing environment. B. Versatility for every interior design style. One of the biggest advantages of wooden corner shelves is their incredible versatility. Whether you prefer heavy checkmark modern minimalism with clean lines and smooth finishes, heavy checkmark rustic farmhouse charm with reclaimed wood and distressed textures, heavy checkmark industrial chic with raw wood and metal brackets, heavy checkmark Scandinavian simplicity with natural wood tones and geometric shapes. There is a wooden corner shelf design to match your aesthetic. This makes them a fantastic investment for homeowners who love to personalize their living spaces. See natural warmth and timeless beauty. Wood has a unique ability to bring warmth and coziness into any space. Unlike metal or plastic, wooden shelves have organic textures and natural grains that make a room feel more inviting and comfortable. Not only that, but wood is also timeless. While other materials go in and out of fashion, wooden furniture and decor remain stylish and relevant for decades. D. Strength, durability, and customization. High-quality wooden shelves are strong and long-lasting, making them a reliable storage solution. Whether you need them for light decorative items or heavier objects like books and appliances, properly installed wooden shelves can handle the weight with ease. Plus, they offer endless customization options. You can heavy checkmark stain them for a rich, dark, or golden finish. Heavy checkmark paint them to match your decor theme. Heavy checkmark carve them for intricate and artistic detailing. Heavy checkmark combine them with metal or glass for a more modern look. Now that we've covered why wooden corner shelves are an essential upgrade, let's explore some of the best and most stylish designs available. 2. Floating wooden corner shelves, minimalist and sleek. Floating shelves are a must-have in modern interiors. These shelves are designed to appear as if they are floating on the wall with no visible brackets or supports, creating a clean, elegant, and sophisticated look. Why floating corner shelves are so popular. Heavy checkmark, they create a clutter-free and streamlined appearance. Heavy checkmark, they work in small and large spaces alike. Heavy checkmark, they allow you to showcase art, plants, or decor in a subtle and stylish way. Heavy checkmark, they can be installed at various heights for a layered effect. Where to use floating corner shelves. Heavy checkmark living rooms. To display framed photos, small sculptures, and decorative vases. Heavy checkmark bedrooms. As a compact nightstand alternative. Heavy checkmark bathrooms. To store toiletries, candles, and hand towels. Heavy checkmark kitchens. As a spice rack or coffee station. The simplicity of floating shelves makes them a fantastic choice for any room, instantly enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. 3. Geometric wooden corner shelves. Bold and eye-catching. If you love modern, artistic, and unique designs, then geometric wooden corner shelves are perfect for you. These shelves use hexagonal, triangular, circular, or abstract shapes to create a stunning visual impact. Why choose geometric corner shelves? Heavy checkmark, they add character and artistic flair to any space. Heavy checkmark, they work as both storage solutions and decorative pieces. Heavy checkmark, they are great for contemporary, industrial, and bohemian interiors. Heavy checkmark, they can be arranged in modular patterns for a dynamic effect. Imagine a set of hexagonal shelves in natural wood tones, arranged in an artistic cluster on a plain white wall. The result? A modern and visually striking decor piece that doubles as a functional storage solution. 4. Ladder-style wooden corner shelves. Rustic meets contemporary. For those who love a mix of rustic and modern design, ladder-style wooden shelves provide a perfect blend of both aesthetics. These shelves are shaped like leaning ladders, with wooden planks decreasing in size as they move upward. Heavy checkmark, perfect for farmhouse, Scandinavian, and vintage interiors. Heavy checkmark, best materials: reclaimed wood, distressed oak, or rustic pine. Heavy checkmark, ideal for holding books, potted plants, picture frames, or decorative bowls. Ladder-style shelves bring height and structure to a room, while adding a charming and cozy touch. 5. Corner hanging shelves, lightweight and airy. Instead of traditional mounted shelves, hanging wooden corner shelves are suspended from ropes, chains, or leather straps, creating a bohemian and artistic vibe. Heavy checkmark, great for boho chic, industrial, or urban loft designs. Heavy checkmark, ideal for small decorative objects, planters, candles, or woven baskets. Heavy checkmark, best placement: living rooms, home offices, or artistic studios. Hanging shelves add an element of fluidity and movement, making a space feel more lively and expressive. 6. Built-in wooden corner shelves, luxury and elegance. For those seeking high-end sophistication, built-in wooden shelves provide a seamless, custom-built look. These shelves are crafted directly into the walls, creating a polished, integrated design that exudes luxury and elegance. Heavy checkmark, best suited for high-end homes, luxury interiors, and custom renovations. Heavy checkmark, ideal placement: home libraries, formal living rooms, and upscale offices. Heavy checkmark features: recessed lighting, glass panels, or decorative molding. Built-in wooden shelves elevate a home's value, making them a worthwhile long-term investment. Final thoughts. Why every home needs modern wooden corner shelves. Heavy checkmark, they optimize and use spaces in a stylish and practical way. Heavy checkmark, they bring natural warmth and timeless elegance. Heavy checkmark, they are versatile, durable, and customizable. Heavy checkmark, they enhance both small and large interiors. By integrating wooden corner shelves into your home, you transform empty corners into beautifully functional spaces that elevate your decor effortlessly. Conclusion: why modern wooden corner shelves are essential. Modern wooden corner shelves are more than just storage solutions. They are a blend of practicality, style, and artistic expression. Whether you choose floating shelves for a sleek look, geometric designs for a creative impact, or built-in shelves for a luxurious touch, there is a perfect wooden corner shelf for every interior. Heavy checkmark, they maximize and use spaces, transforming corners into functional and decorative focal points. Heavy checkmark, they add warmth and texture, making interiors feel more inviting and elegant. Heavy checkmark, they come in diverse styles, suiting minimalist, rustic, modern, and luxury aesthetics. Heavy checkmark, they are customizable and versatile, allowing for endless design possibilities. Wooden corner shelves prove that every corner in a home has potential. It's all about how you choose to utilize it. So, whether you're looking to display art, store books, or simply enhance your space, modern wooden corner shelves are an essential addition to any stylish home.